Welcome. If you're someone who's getting bombarded with email notifications for every comment on Facebook, you're not alone. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to manage your notification settings, including those pesky email alerts. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to disable email notifications for Facebook comments on your PC. Let's dive in. First, the very first thing you need to do is open Facebook on your browser. Go ahead and log in if you're not already signed in to your account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your Facebook homepage. Now, to get started with the settings, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access your personal account. Simply click on your name to go to your profile page. Next, we need to head into your account settings. So, click on the small arrow in the top right corner again. You'll see a menu that includes Settings and Privacy. Hover over that and then click on Settings. Now you're on the Settings page, and here's where the magic happens. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down a little and you'll find Notifications in the menu. Click on that. Once you're in the Notifications section, you'll see several categories of notifications you can manage. Look for the Comments section. This is where Facebook sends you email alerts whenever someone comments on your posts or any posts you're following. To stop those email notifications, simply toggle off the option that says Email under the Comments section. Once you do this, you won't receive any more email notifications about Facebook comments. You can still get notifications within Facebook itself, but your inbox will stay free from all those alerts, and that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications for Facebook comments on your PC. It's a quick fix, but it can really help reduce the clutter in your inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.